This is a beautiful world peace protector and Buddha, Dorje Shugden. He has been practiced for over 400 years in Tibet, and he manifests as a pure monk, which represents holding on to the Vinaya vows and to hold on to our tantric and bodhisattva and refuge vows. He's in the pose of destroying obstacles that come across our spiritual practice in our daily life and holding on to the heart of samsara, which is compassion and wisdom. He sits on the king of animals, which is a lion, representing he is the most powerful. His face is wrathful, showing a demeanor of pushing away or scaring away obstacles from our lives. He has 3 eyes, representing he sees the past, present, and future. This is a very beautiful image of Dorje Shugden, which has arrived today in Kechara. Then we will add the beautiful staff that collects power, necessities, resource from the 3 realms, spiritual power. And then a heart, which represents, he holds the heart of samsara in his hand. And then a mongoose spitting out jewels, representing that Dorje Shugden is also a wealth deity that can confer wealth and resources for our needs, in a wisdom sword. And finally, the round traveling hat representing Nagarjuna's pure view, or Madhyamika. This is a very beautiful statue, and I hope everyone can have one in the future in their house to make offerings to make prayers, and to remind them of their purpose in life, which is to gain enlightenment. Look at all these other beautiful statues there.